for before me to imagine so me can for perfect looks and a day amount and a year. You can perfect looks and the papa fee. Open tade abrante open tade pa t-shirt Lacoste pa ne shirt mu assault eno ane perfect looks na baba waso so open e manta de papa pa de akọ occasion bi bia open e bia engagement bi wedding sa tade de eno ane perfect looks enso hono perfect looks e be hunu wo konkokompe me the number to screen so you say open say unyan tade a obetuma fe no oye delivery ekoba bia within Greater Accra or the bebro enso hono ti dem kan form one perfect looks na fe so open pabo so a mema pabo nyina no na mema underwear e ma so underwear nyina no oton ebi enso hono ti eno ane perfect looks ntade papa ifie enso kan fo abrante friend say Emmanuel Kote ede ama abrante performance enra na enye easy kra enso ehonom we abrante no enra we from ye papa to the first half no we abrante performance on the field na eso ni ye pa ma yene ne to nyina hwe game nyina no na ye boy nsam de ma abrante no we ne passes ene ne crosses na we na on first goal no on cross to me ema abet amoa edinity epembo no eto atenamu enso hono tina abrante friend say Emmanuel Kote the performance yesterday no na fantastic o hear say obi anka watna fi oko injuries so many times na watna fi be over a year na abrante ebae na he enra na say performance wa ha say e put up ana na otimi say eso ni papa yi enso hono mti abrante friend say Emmanuel Kote enso so hono the we can say onkoso na wonya sa e be bompa say ma prebia emedininya emedininya na onkoso na de woye no wonya ne sa pepepepe emfa ema asante kotoko de hia ne say ye de all the time no ibinya victory eno ne yaduane a aya me ne gie enso hono yes so kotoko be winning games that's what we need or we want etina abrante friend say Emmanuel Kote eno aso na enyama nwa say abrante no etiminya man of the match so hono say most valuable player of the game and so the performance was very fantastic. It was on point and so hono nti abrante me kan say e be hye nkran say obekoso abono homodi yi yes onkoso na the performance no o increase a obedun kwanya chance of Black Stars akosi akan and so hono yes Emmanuel Kote and so de no e free ayi ko ina no kotoko player bia obo homodi bia no mama kan ho asem enso e wa ha sei o dwuma di so ana say TikTok YouTube Facebook mama kan ho asem na ya hwe enti eno an abrante say Emmanuel Kote meet mama no 8/10 because the performance no was solid, fantastic player enso e wo hono na every game bia kotoko bia no me the player kotoko players no do be born ho modern no me tin beba na me be kan ho asem so akere amansan na say kotoko chitafo ene Ghana fo no wiase na obi ahun se de kotoko mrante no omo performance on the field no esitie hono etina midian na napoku na mekram na ibese ahia ebio ti abrante friend say Emmanuel Kote thumbs up shalom peace bye bye respect.